Hi everyone, this is David Zachos with Zachos Realty and Design. And in this video, I'm thrilled to share with you a new listing we have in a great community called Calusa Lakes. You know, most of us move to Florida for the Florida lifestyle. We have all the conveniences of up north or wherever you come from, but with a little relaxed pace, a quiet slow down a little bit, and Calusa Lakes is exactly that. The beautiful weather, the beautiful golf course. You can start every single day enjoying what all of us in Florida currently enjoy. So let's start with the community. When you pull up to Calusa Lakes, you'll notice it's a well-established neighborhood, very mature landscaping. It's got two rock waterfalls that mirror each side of the grand entrance. And as you leave that, you pull into the security gate, enter into this little enclave that's close to everything, yet you feel like so far removed. I really love that about the community, and I'm sure you will as well. After you go through the private gates, you'll notice ponds, the golf course, tennis courts, as you way back to the house that's located in the very back of the community. What you'll notice immediately is when you enter, you'll drive through and have a sense of peace and relaxation. You'll know and feel that you're home. It's common to see walkers, bikers, neighbors just enjoying the many sidewalks and trails. You'll see golfers on the golf course at the tee and sinking a putt. So it just kind of gives you that really relaxed lifestyle that we're all looking for in Florida. As you pull into the driveway of this home, you'll notice it's at the very back of the community. You've got space between the neighbors, unlike many of the new construction communities that are popping up all over the place. This home is really privately situated. So this home is located at the very rear of this gated community in a maintenance-free enclave called Woodland Trails. In Woodland Trails, the landscaping, the irrigation, the mowing, the mulching, all provided for you. So spend your time at the beach with your kids, with your grandkids, out to dinner with friends, or catching a sunset with someone special instead of working in your yard. This home is going to be worry-free for years to come. As you walk up, you'll notice that there's a brand new 30-year slate tile roof. And as you enter, you'll notice how light and bright this home is. It's just got gorgeous features. Vaulted ceilings, it's got split plan, master bedroom on the right, the other bedrooms on the left, so living room, family room, formal dining room. It really has lots of features. Pocket sliding doors that lead outside, a luxury kitchen, all new kitchen cabinets, new stone countertops, new stainless steel appliances, the refrigerator's new, the microwave's new, the range is all new. In addition to that, the AC system was just replaced last month. So these are all under warranty and give you that peace of mind. This home is just perfectly situated where it's so close to everything and it's in a mature neighborhood, but yet you don't have to worry about all the old features because everything's been replaced. You've got an extended lanai, covered lanai with a caged area. So you've got that privacy to enjoy, you know, having a cup of coffee, afternoon tea, hanging out, listening to the birds. The home backs up to a green space, so you don't have anyone behind you. Just really have a sense of privacy in this home. Additional features of the home, it's got an inside laundry room with lots of additional storage. It's got an oversized two-car garage with overhead storage. And you be pleased to know you've got all your hurricane shutters in the garage. There's hurricane shutters for the garage, all the windows, the rear lanai. So you'll save money on your insurance. In fact, you've got a new roof, new AC system, and hurricane coverage. Well, one thing I really love about this house, and I think you will too, is that if you wanted to put a pool on, there's plenty of room for a pool. We've actually had one designed for this house, so you can kind of get an idea what that looks like. But if you don't want to worry about maintaining a pool, just 3 doors down, you have your community pool. Woodland Trails has its own community pool, so that's all maintenance-free, available for you just to go down and enjoy whenever you want to. Being inside Calusa Lakes, you've got the golf course, which you can enjoy, and just outside the gates, there's another golf course, Mission Valley Country Club. So I've kind of given you an overview on this home, all the features, upgrades, and you know, another great thing about this home is its location. Nokomis, I feel, is really a great location, great values for homes. You're only about a 10-minute drive to Nokomis Beach, about a 12-minute drive to Venice Beach. You've got historic Venice, about 15 minutes away. You've got Casperson Beach, the South Jetty, Venice Fishing Pier, Broad Paw Park, which is the county's only pet-friendly dog beach. That's only about 15 minutes away. And I think you'll enjoy this house and all the features. So if you have any questions at all about the home itself or about the community, please reach out. I look forward to sharing them with you or answering any questions you have. Thank you and have a great day.